Hey guys, if you are trying to make a Google Stadia account but you don't know how to start it, just watch this video and I will show you every single step. So guys, as we were talking about the Stadia, let's just jump in and make an account. You just need to search for Stadia in your browser. You need to click on the first link which pops up, which should be stadia.google.com, and you will have a lot of try now buttons here. You just need to click on one of them and then confirm your Google account. You need to confirm one more time your Google account at Stadia. You need to answer a simple question and just click on confirm. After this you will have the terms and conditions, which obviously should be accepted if you would like to make an account, and then you need to choose an avatar. There are a bunch of avatars here, from the cutest to the strangest ones, so I'm sure that you will find an avatar for yourself. After this you need to choose your Stadia name, and I would recommend you to choose it wisely because you won't be able to change it later. So after we confirmed our username, we are going straight to the privacy section when there are a lot of privacy questions, and we need to set permissions for these questions. You will find here questions like who can send you friend requests, who can send you game invites, who can see your friend list, and so on. So here you have the chance to set the permissions for these things. You can select between private to friends, friends and their friends, and all players, which is actually the public. After you selected those ones, you have some questions related to your activity. You can select who can see your game activity, the time played per game, the achievements, the player stats, the online status, and the current game. I like to keep these things private, so I will just go to private all the way. After you choose for every single one an option, you just need to click on the next button. So this will bring you to the update section. At the update section you will have to choose from signing up for email updates or not now. I'm going with signing up with new email updates and just clicking on the next. So here we are guys, just click on the start trial button and you are good to go. Or almost, because you need to set up your card, because if you would like to use the Stadia more than 1 month, then they will need to charge you from somewhere. So you just need to enter your card details, your bank details, and confirm the transaction. After confirming our transactions, we are getting back to the Stadia page, where we are getting a pop-up message which says that you are ready. You'll get an email confirmation of your purchase. We are trying to click on the start trial button, but actually it's not working. I tried to click on the Stadia logo, but actually it is doing nothing, so we just need to search again for Stadia and to sign in. So we are clicking on sign in and we are just simply logging in with our Google account. And here it is guys, we have a brand new Stadia account. We have a lot of informations to find here. For example, we can see the games, but we have, for example, controller info, supported devices, connections and tips. So let's just click on that claim all and let's see what we got here. We have a bunch of different titles, for example, Hitman, PUBG, Crayta, Everspace, Outcasters, and a lot of games which are actually not my style, but that's not a problem because it may be your style. So let's just jump into the game and let's see how it works. Here you just need to click on that red play button and your game is loading. By pressing Shift Tab you can open the Stadia menu and you can see your online friends. You can access the settings and a lot more things. If you'd like to see longer gameplay videos, you will find some in a few days on my YouTube channel, but obviously don't forget that you can try these games by your own by creating your own Google Stadia account. Thank you guys for watching, I'm Daniel and this was DTech. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.
You've got the basics.